Hi folks, we're back with this recreational center, and now we're going to look at creating our structural model. And this is our architectural model. What I want you to be aware of, we had an issue last time. These are the levels from our architect's model. So now really the only way you can do I have to totally leave this model, but I'm going to link it in. So I'm going to drop him off, and I'm going to go and I'm going to open a new project. And here I want to go scroll to the structural template. This is structural. We'll say OK here. Now we're in this template and it's putting us on level 2, but I want to go into my north elevation here. And actually, let's just go link it here in the 3D view, in the 3D model, the 3D view here. So I'm going to go to you can do this two ways. You can go here and go insert and then link Revit here. And you go pick up your file. This is our file we want. And then another way, which is what I do now, I just go right click here and I go new link. And that's the one right there. We're just going to have internal origin to origin. I'm going to open this. Now there's our link model, and then you want to go in here and it says edit type, and okay, 1 second here. Didn't do that yet. I'm going to select the link here. Then I want to hit this edit type, and I want to click room bounding right here so it can pick up the rooms and everything. Apply. Okay. So now, just doing this thing, I guess. So now we want to go into our north elevation here. Now here, now in this view you can see a lot of our elements here. In this section view, we can shut this on and off, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But right now we need to get these levels in order. So these are the structural levels we have in here, and these are linked, as you can see. So since we're going to be following the architect's model, I'm going to just align this to this. I'm going to align this one. Let's see. Align this to that. That'll be our level 2. And then we're going to do our level 1 will be here to here. And then this will be the basement line. This is going to be the bottom because it's going to be 3/6. I'm not going to be very concerned with that right now, but that's how you link in your file. Now, how you handle these other elements as far as visibility, go into our properties tab, and these can be independent by view. Like in this view, the reason why you don't see any walls or anything because we're going to put structural walls here. We can change, we're going to do the floors and everything, but that's basically how you link in a model. So let me go down to project browser now and look at our level 1. So this is going to be level 1, and then here I'm going to just shut all this stuff off and bring in the walls and everything. So let's go to this. I can turn all this stuff off. I don't really need it. Okay, here's my site plan. And then now we're going to go and do our level 1, and I'll start with the structural wall. And just going to do a generic structural wall for now because we do know how deep we want to go actually. But let's just draw a line here, and let's go have a look at this in our 3D view now. So there's our new wall. our structural wall that we're gonna probably use here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay this guy out, and I'm gonna see you all coming in the next video. This is in wireframe. Let me make this shaded now. Okay. So what we're gonna do here, we're just gonna go back and keep this in wireframe. We don't need all this fancy architectural stuff showing. And then we're gonna go and do our foundation, and then I'll lay out the grid. But really the first thing we wanna do here is lay this grid out. So I'm going to go from this point. I think I want to go from, say, here, this way, one, of course. We'll need another one here. Definitely need one going this way. Now we're going to have to try to get a clear span over here from there to there, but then we go in this direction now. Let's see, let me just fix this here. So this is going to be our building grid for our structural window. There, here. So we're going to have 3 grids that way, but this way we're going to need one here. Okay. So hey guys, I just wanted to show you how we're going to start this thing here. And we'll just click here, and this is going to be my A. Oh, big A, I guess. And then we'll need another one here. Yeah, I'm going to say through here. I'll probably need a beam there. Actually, I'm going to bring this way. This building is going to be precast. It'll be very, we can get some good spans. We're going to go there. And we'll probably need another one going through here. Yep. Yeah, we're going to need something right through there, I think. And then that'll be it. So, hey guys, thanks for watching the video. We got our structural model going now, and I'm just setting up the grid. So the next video we'll look at floors and foundations and footings and things. And then right now, this I want to get rid of. I want to show you this right quick. So to get rid of all of this stuff here, this architect's model, which we don't even need to see, we want to go into our Manage tab. Or no, we want to go to VV, Visibility Graphics, and then here I want to hit the Revit links, and then this is my file here. It's not shared, and it's by host. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in here and call this custom. Imported categories, okay, nope, sorry. This should be custom right here. Nope. Model categories. These are custom. Yep. And now I want to turn off all of this stuff. Actually want to make it halftone as well. Yeah, let's just turn it off. Where are they? Plumbing equipment. No, I don't need to see that. I don't need to see furniture or doors. I probably could see, but I'll do, yeah, I need to see the doors. Specialty equipment, food service stuff, equipment, no doors. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. So, then we're gonna, I'm gonna finish this up. Okay. And then we're going to go and do the foundation. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. But anyway, here we've got our structural model going. So here we got our grid in, and then next columns and things. And I think I might want to add one more grid just here. I might right here create similar. And go one there. Just right there. I'm gonna fix that up. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Please be safe and please subscribe. Bye.